Hello everyone, welcome back to Sujit Analytics. This is the continuation of SQL Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll be explaining string built-in functions. In the previous tutorial, I'll explain datetime functions where we can perform operations with the dates. So let's jump into the today's topic, string built-in functions. Before that, let's understand what is these string built-in functions. So these string built-in functions are functions which perform operations on strings. So these functions are used for data manipulation, data extraction, and data analysis. Here, these string functions are used to perform data manipulation, data extraction, and data transformation. So for these purposes, we use these string functions. And there are some string functions we frequently use. Is upper, lower, truncat, trim, mm, length, substring, replace, and also char index. These are the some functions we frequently use when we work with this data. Let's understand each function with example. First function is upper. Here, upper is used to change the case of the string to uppercase. Suppose if our data is in lowercase, it converts the lowercase data into uppercase data. Converts the strings into uppercase. Suppose I have a string with analytics. Execute it, we get the same case, which is Sujit Analytics. All letters are small. But I want to convert this string into uppercase. I want all letters should be upper. For this, we use upper function. For this upper function, we have to give any string. With analytics, now we can see all the letters are converted into uppercase. The same way, we can perform this upper function on the table also. Suppose in my table, I have the EMP1 table. If I execute it, I'll get the table. Now all the names are in uppercase. Let's run the table by customers. Now see the customer name and city are in lowercase. Means all the letters are not in uppercase. But I want the name and city should be in uppercase. For that, I'm using upper on these two columns. We can only give one column at a time. We cannot give multiple columns to this upper function at a time. For this, we have to use separate upper functions. Upper name and upper city from the customers. Now see the name and the city column is converted to uppercase. This is about upper function. In the same way, the lower function works, but it works just opposite for upper. Instead of upper, using lower. Instead of upper, lower, and here lower. And converting this into uppercase. First, I will change the letters to uppercase and then I convert it into lower. Execute it. Now the name is converted into lowercase. The same way, this one also. The letters are converted into lowercase. So for these functions, we have to give any string. We cannot give any integer or any other data type. We should give only int string data type. So that is about upper and lower function. And we have some other important function which is concat. Concat is used to concat concatenate strings together based on delimiter we can give. Suppose I have two names, Cristiano, Cristiano, and one is Ronaldo. Execute it. Now the Cristiano Ronaldo are in separate columns. Cristiano and Ronaldo. But I want these two names should be in single column or single row. I want to concat together. I don't want to separate Cristiano Ronaldo in separate columns. I want them in a single column or single row. For that, I can use concat function. Concat is the string one, the string two. You can give any number of strings, but we have to ensure separate with the commas. Now Cristiano Ronaldo is concatenated, but I want to give a separator. Now see, Cristiano Ronaldo is concatenated without any space. For that, I want space between two these strings. I'm giving space. Now a space also one type of string. I execute it. Now we are able to see the name separated with the space Cristiano Ronaldo, which is full name. The same way we can work with the tables. Suppose in my employee table, I have the employee details. I want employee name and job should be concatenated. Separator is comma. I want employee name and job should be concatenated with the separator comma. In that cases, we use concat function on these columns. First, I want employee name and I want separator comma and next the job. Execute it. Now it is concatenated. Employee name and job is concatenated together. So we have to give the column name. We should not give as a string because this is a column name we are selecting from the employees table. If it is a string, we have to ensure includes with the single quotes or double quotes. Concat does nothing but concatenates strings together. This is about concat, and we have another function trim. Here trim is nothing but trims the string, means removes necessary white spaces. We can say it removes leading and trailing spaces. Suppose I have the name, which is we take the same name, Cristiano Ronaldo. I have the spaces between after and before this name. This spaces is called white spaces. Now see, before Cristiano there are some white spaces. After Ronaldo there are some white spaces. But I want to remove that white spaces. So in that case, I can use trim function. Use trim function. Those white spaces would be removed. Now see, there are no white spaces. This is trim function. Trims the string or removes leading and trailing spaces. The leading and trailing spaces means spaces which are present uh, begin and end of the string. Next function is length function. Length function is nothing but returns the length of the string. Means returns the number of characters present in a string. Suppose I have the same name Cristiano Ronaldo. If I execute it, I'm able to see the name. What I want is length. In that case, I can use length function. It will take only one argument, which is string. So this all string functions takes only string as a argument. Now 17. The length of the name of the Cristiano Ronaldo is 17. We have 17 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Exactly. It's about length function. And we have other function which is char index. Char index is nothing but returns the index position. Index position of a string, a specific string. Returns the index position of a string. And in Python, we have the concept called indexes. We have the index position starting from 0. In the same way, uh, in SQL, we have the index position starting from 1. When you want index position of specific character, you can use this char index function. Suppose we take the same string again, Cristiano Ronaldo. Now I want the char index position of C. Char index on char index position of C. Before the string, we have to specify the character. You want the char index. I want C char index in this string. That's why I'm specifying the C as in search expression. Now C's char index position is C 1. If I specify R, returns 2 because R char index position is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. If I specify T, char index position is 5. It is right. So it returns the char index position of the string. Syntax would be first search expression, the expression we want to search in the string, and the actual string we want to search in. This is a string we want to search in this string, this char index function. And we have another function which is substring. Substring is a function which is used to return the part of the string from a string. So let's understand with the example. Same name, Cristiano Ronaldo. Only Cristiano. I don't want all the full name. I want only his name, Cristiano. I want only Cristiano from Cristiano Ronaldo. In that case, I can use substring function. Substring is the expression I want. Is the expression I have. From this, I want Cristiano. For that, we have to give another two arguments, which is the starting position I want, and next argument is the length of characters we want. Second argument is starting position. From one I want. That's why I'm giving one as in next position because I want stay on. Its starting position is one. That's why I'm giving one. From one, how many characters I want? I want one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, nine characters. These are length. If I execute it, I would get Cristiano because from this string, what I'm doing is from this string from first position, I want nine characters. This is the string from first position nine characters. Suppose I want this Ronaldo instead of Cristiano. For that, the starting position is for this is we have to give the starting position of R. We should not give the starting position of C because we want only Ronaldo. That's why we have to give starting position of R. So what is the starting position? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. The number of characters we want? 7. Don't want 9, we want only 7. This is Ronaldo. We are able to get Ronaldo. So in this way, substitution function is used to return a part of a string from a string, from original string, you can say. So from a string, we are returning a part of a string. This is substring. Index would be first expression, the actual string we have. In the starting position, we want start position and length of the characters. The length of the characters we want from this position. This is the syntax for substring. Next, we have other type of function which is replace. Replace is a function which replaces specific part of the string with a new string. Let's see with example again. Now the name is Lionel Ronaldo. Ronaldo. Lionel Ronaldo. Now I want to replace Lionel with the Cristiano. The actual name for the Ronaldo is Cristiano Ronaldo, not Lionel Ronaldo. So I want to replace Lionel with the Cristiano. In that case, we can use replace function. Replace. I want to replace what I want to replace. I want to replace Lionel. First, I want to replace Lionel with the Cristiano. Lionel, Lionel, Ronaldo. That's somewhat different. So first, the actual string expression, which is Lionel Ronaldo. I want to search for Lionel and replace with Cristiano. First, we have to give the actual string, we have the replacement string. Execute it. Lionel is replaced with the Cristiano. Lionel Ronaldo, Lionel, spelling mistake. Now the name is replaced with the Cristiano Ronaldo. The actual name is Lionel Ronaldo. I'm replacing Lionel with the new string, which is Cristiano. This is the replace function. Replace new string, replace a part of the string with the new string. The expression first one is the actual expression we want. Actual expression we have. Then the search expression. Want which expression? Search in the expression. I want next one is replace. Replacement string. Replacement string or expression. This is the actual expression. This is the search expression. This is the replacement expression. This is the replace function. And these are the some string functions we have. We mainly frequently use these string functions when we are working with data. And that's all. I hope you understand. If you believe you learned something today, don't forget to give a like and share it with your friends who are learning SQL. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Sujit Analytics, to stay updated with my latest tutorials. And that's all. I'll share this file in the description. And that's all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.